Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. Problem number 68. How to solve or how to draw by using AutoCAD software. So the problem is read as a straight line capital PQ is inclined at 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. The point capital P is in HP and the point capital Q is in vertical plane VP. The length of the straight line is 65 mm. Draw the projections of the straight line capital PQ. So he has given the true length and its inclinations. So to do that, first we'll go for AutoCAD screen and switch on the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now we'll go for command limits. Reset specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then we'll go for a line command. Consider any arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the screen and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again, you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. And then go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and again go to the offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x and then go to fillet. Fillet this vertical line and this horizontal line. Similarly, you just go to fillet between this horizontal and this vertical and then go to fillet between this vertical and this horizontal. Then go to layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY and enter. Click on new layer, type the layer by name front view FV, enter. Click on new layer, type the layer by name top view, enter. And click on new, type the layer by name true length TL and click on new, type the layer by name locus. Now we will going to set the line weights of individual layers, that is the line thickness, what is required. So layer 0 will have the line weight as 0.05 because all the projectors will be on layer 0. So the thickness of projectors are 0.05. So that is why we are assigning the layer 0 will have 0.05. So the entities which are drawn on layer 0 will always have 0.05 line weight. Similarly, the XY line will going to have 0.13 and say OK. Then the front view will have the line weight as 0.5. OK. And the top view will have the line weight as 0.5. Then the true length will going to have the 0.3. And then the locus line will going to have 0.05. Say OK. Now we will going to change the line type of the locus line. You just click on the continuous. So by default, we will always have only one line type, which is the continuous line type. Now we will try to load. You just go to load, take the cursor here and type D and say dash dot. Now the line type is loaded from the library to the select line type dialog box. Then click on the dash dot line and say OK. So now the locus will going to have line type as dash dot. Now you go to the color changing of the layers. So true length will going to have an index color of 30 and say OK. And then the top view will going to have the red color, say OK. And the front view will going to have magenta color and say OK. And now, so we have changed all the layers, line type, color and the line weight. Now we are going to close this dialog box. Now we go for creating the drawing. So first you draw the XY line. And consider any point because you have Q1, so you start from Q1 only. So take nearest point on this, take the length as 65 and the angle as 30 degrees to bottom line. So to do that, so first you will come down to line, draw one horizontal line of any distance, then go to line, take nearest point on this horizontal line at any point, and then go to at the rate. So the length is 65. Angle is minus 150 degrees so that you will going to get 30 degrees to the XY line. So then you take perpendicular to this. So you're going to get this line. And again from here you are drawing at an angle of 45. The true length is same in both front view and top view. So here at the rate 65 less than 45. So now we got the true length in the top view and the true length in the front view. So obviously you will going to get the locus line. So once you do that, now we need to start from Q1. So once you start from Q1, so here what will going to be the Q1? So from here you draw an arc, that's all. So to do that, so you just go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So here, then you're going to get line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you have the front view now. So go to trim, select between this horizontal incline and this. So you come trim this portion and also this portion, and then go to erase this, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take int of this and take perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So we have the front view and the top view. Now we need to join this. So to do that, first before that we're going to trim this extra portions. Whatever you have here, you trim this and you trim this. Then go to erase this line. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So both will going to lie on the same line. So then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Similarly, you break this line till here and you break this line till here. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we will going to change the layers now. So to do that, first you go to XY line and change that layer to XY and then escape. Then you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as locus, and this will going to be 10. Of course, you cannot change this because you need to give, because this is locus of locus of Q on the front view. So, but you cannot change because we have the XY line. So obviously you should choose that as the one, but locus of Q will come in the top view. So now we need to select between these two lines. So this is the true length and here also this is the true length. So go to layer, take this true length, assign. So by it will take the default color and the line weight of that particular layer. Similarly, you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Go to layer as top view. So obviously it will take that layer color and line weight. So go to layer, make that as front view. So you're going to get this. So now we need to go for the dimensioning. So go to DDIM. So you come down to modify. So you take primary units as precision as 0. So go to text. So take the text height as 3. Text alignment align with the dimension line. Text placement is above. And take offset from the dimension line as 2. Then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. And say go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and say close. Now we go for the dimensioning. So to do that, you just come down to dim. So you take a switch off the ortho mode, take int of this and you take int of this. So you're going to get the true length line as 65. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get 30 degree. Then again you take angular, select between these two. So you're going to get it as 45 now. So then go to dim TED, extended dimension. So you take this 45 degree and you take this 45 degree here, 30 degree here. Once you do that, now we go for leader, go to nearest and you take this on this and you make this tangential to this arc, annotation option none, and then go to leader, take nearest point on this. So we have this, so you just come down to this, tangential to this arc, annotation option none. So then go to ortho on, go to leader, take nearest on this and draw this, annotation option none. So once you get this, you will go to get leader. Again, take nearest on this and go to annotation option. Now go to explode, select these 2 and this is 3 and 4. Then go to erase, erase this, erase this, erase this, and erase this. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we need to, I think this is the other way around what I have done, because it is Q1. So once you have Q1, so you go to get this rule length, then you will go to get the top view. So that is how it should be done. Then we take this true length and you will go to get this option out. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we go for the text. Select this point, take height as 3, rotation angle as 0. So you mark this as XY, and now you mark this as VP and this as HP. So here this as capital P, and here also this as capital P, and this as capital Q, and here you mark this as locus of Q, and here also you mark this as locus of Q, and you mark this as capital Q, and here you mark this as P dash, and this as Q dash, and this as Q1, and this as Q1 dash, and this as Q, and this as Q2, and this as Q2 dash. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Then go to move, switch off this. So take X and you mark this VP here and HP, and you put it out, pull it out P, mark this P dash, and you come down to this as capital P. So this as Q dash, and you pull out this and take this as Q2, and this as capital Q, and this as locus of Q, and then you have Q1 dash, and this as locus of Q, and this as Y, and this as Q1, and this as capital Q, this is small q, Q2, you take capital P, and this as small p. Now go to move and place it here, and this as capital P. Now once you change this, now we need to go for, of course, this is the one direction. Once you do that, so then we have this is the, once you do this, so we can get the true length from here also. That is because we have the front view and we can be able to create that. So the other direction is we have, okay, you can do this also. So here, then go to leader, take nearest point on this, and you switch on the ortho mode, annotation option none. So once you do that, so obviously this direction will change now. So that direction will go to move out. So you just go to leader, take nearest, switch on the ortho mode, and it will comes like this. Then go to annotation option none. So then you erase this, and then go to leader, take nearest on this, and you draw on this side. Nearest annotation options none. Then go to explode, select this, you select this, and you select this. Then go to erase, erase this line, and erase this line. Now we need to change VP, P dash, Q dash, Q2, locus of Q, and Q1 dash. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then escape, HP, small p, Q, Q2, Q1, and locus of Q. Go to layer, make that as top view. Then escape, take these two capital P's and these two capital Q's, and go to color, make that color as blue. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing, and this drawing and this drawing are exactly similar. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.